Hello everybody, welcome to Bible Corner Reviews. I have a fun video today. This is a Bible unboxing. It's the first one that I've actually published. I actually made a video a year or two ago now that I was gonna publish, but I never did and I ended up losing it. So I have never done a Bible unboxing on camera before because usually I can't wait to open them. So I've been patiently, in quotation marks, waiting to open this Bible for you on this video. So let's get into it. I know what kind of Bible this is. This is a Lockman Prime edition, which is their premium line, but I don't know which one they sent me. I told them to surprise me. So this is unknown except for the general information. I don't even know which version of the New American Standard it is. I know it's New American Standard, but I'm not sure of either the 2020 or the 1995. So let's open this up. I don't have a very good knife here. I honestly think Tim Wildsmith kind of has the corner on the market for good Bible unboxing videos, but it doesn't hurt for us non-famous reviewers to do it once in a while. Alright, going to remove the paper. What do we have here? We have the New American Standard Bible Reference Bible. Oh great, this is cool. So this is the smaller one, which is the one I had said originally reminded me of like a mid-sized Skylar, so this will be cool. So you have the box, has some of the features on the side, and these ones are printed in Korea. You have just a plain back, so it's got a two-piece here. So let's open this up. Have a nice paper interior, and this has the, let's see if I can get it out of the light here, has New American Standard Bible, NASB 2020, accuracy you can trust, and kind of a little sticker there. So we'll move this to the side a little bit. So they do this one is two-piece, so technically we can slide this out here. And then slide over again. Oh cool, it's the brown one. So they have these in black and brown. And this is the brown. So we have really nice Holy Bible, New American Standard Bible 2020, NASB at the Lockman Foundation. So this is a generous yap. You can see how it's already been training a little bit. So that's cool. Red art gilding. And this has two ribbons, which we will break out in a little bit. You have a really nice, this is a calf skin liner, I think. So you have a goat skin leather cover on the back. Really nice. They have a perimeter gilt line. You can kind of see the yap here. Really nice. And all I've seen from these editions so far is just other people's reviews. So I have never actually held one before. So this is my first time holding one. So we'll open this up. I believe this is a 32 GSM paper. I could be mistaken. I will do a full review on this Bible. It was sent to me for that purpose, and so that is forthcoming. This was just my general initial impressions and unboxing. So really nice. Really like the look of that. You can kind of see, like, so this is a good example of, if you get a Bible, it's not always going to be perfect right out of the box. And that's just the nature of buying Bibles. And you can see it kind of had a little, here on this corner, it looks a little ruffled up. And that's because apparently when it was being folded and the paper was wrapped around it, it was kind of creasing into that corner. And that's not a defect. That is just a fact of shipping. And so that'll wear out after a while. You'll just be able to fold that in and it'll get better. One thing I really like about these is some people have complained that this doesn't look professional with this Holy Bible and then having the lowercase I and it just not being a standard type, but I think it kind of sets it apart in a very unique way, and it actually looks really good. So you have double column references at the bottom. And this is the 2020 New American Standard. It feels really nice. It's really light. The leather is a little bit stiffer. You can kind of see it has a little bit more of a stiffness to it, but overall, really like the look of it. So, be looking forward to my review of that. So this is the New American Standard Reference Bible in the 2020 edition in the Prime cover, which is a goat skin, and this one is in the brown. So thanks for watching, and I really look forward to reviewing this one.